Now let's see how to insert a progression donut chart in Excel. So here, first of all, for the task that I have listed, I want to get a drop down list saying it as done or not done. So in order to do that, you can select that particular cell range. Then you can go to the data. Under data, you have data validation. Here you can select the list. Then you have to select the options that you need under the drop down. You can click the small arrow. Then you can select the options that you need. Then I'll click OK. So here now you can see for each cell you have two options. One is done and not done. So I'll keep everything as not done for the time being, and I'll just keep maybe first one as done for you all to get a better understanding. So here I want to get the percentages. In order to do that, first of all, I want to get the count of done and not done in this particular column. So how to get that done and not done count? You can simply use the count if function. So count if, open the brackets, in this particular cell range, if it is done, get me the count. So here you can see now here it is as the percentage. So I'll change it to a normal general number. So it is 1. Likewise, you can use the same for this one as well. Equals count if, open the brackets, in this particular cell range, you count and tell me how many not done are there. How many not done are there. Close the brackets and hit enter. Here also I'll change it for a general number. Then here you have the count of total dones and not done. Then here I'll take the total. So total is equals this plus this. Then here in total you have 10 tasks. So here if you add another one more task, just look at this task 11. I'm adding another one more task, so it is getting increased. Now I want the relevant percentages also for these things. So let me insert the percentages over here. Then here it is equals this value divided by the total will get you the percentage. So let me put the percentage over here. Then here also this value divided by the total will give you the percentage. Then here let me take this one and apply the percentage for this one as well. So here see, now I am adding the task 12. Task 12 also not done. You can see automatically these numbers are changing. So now we have to insert the chart. In order to insert the chart, what you can do, simply select this cell range, go to insert, then you can click the small arrow. Under that you have this donut chart. Now you got the donut chart. Now you can do whatever the editings that you need for this particular donut chart. Let's assume I want to keep my this particular done ones in green color. So here see, once I change it as done, automatically it is getting filled. Once I change it as done, automatically it is getting filled. So here I want to change this blue one to the green. So you can select it, that particular part. Then you can go to format, then shape fill. Under that you can give the green color that you need. Then you can go to the remaining part, click the remaining part over here. For that one you can give the color maybe red. So you can give a chart title if you want. You can give a chart title. If you want to hide it, you can simply hide it. So I don't want a chart title, so I'll just hide it. Now we are done with our progression donut chart. So here when I click it as done, again it is getting filled. Now here I want to get the completion percentage to the center of this particular donut chart. In order to do that, what you can do, first you have to click the chart, then go to insert. Then from these shapes you can select this text box. So here I'll insert the text box. Once you insert the text box, go to the formula bar. Inside the formula bar, you have to press equals, then select the percentage of done. Then hit enter. Now you can see over here, the completion percentage is there. Done percentage is there. So you can do whatever the editings that you need for that particular text that you insert. Let's assume I want to change the color for maybe green. I'll make it bold and center and middle, and I'll increase the size of the font as well. Then I can make a small alignment adjustment like this. So now you can see over here, each and every time when I mark it as done, my progression bar also getting filled, and here the percentage also getting changed. If you don't want this particular table to be visible, simply what you can do, you can select the table and change the font color to maybe white if you want. That's one option. If not, simply you can drag the chart and you can put it over there. So this is how you can make a progression donut chart within few minutes using Excel. And if you want to learn how to remove duplicates in Excel within few seconds, make sure to click the video which is appeared on the screen now.